Welcome to this fantastic ranch-style home featuring 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The spacious, open floor plan boasts vaulted ceilings, along with numerous recent upgrades, a new furnace and AC system, 2016, tankless water heater, 2016, updated windows, 2023, fresh paint, 2024, a newer roof, 2022, and modern appliances. Enjoy the pristine yard, perfect for relaxation under the new awning, 2024. Nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac with no hoa, this home also offers a full, open basement with a finished 3/4 bath, ready for you to customize to your liking.